All right, let's just jump right in. For what feels like forever, one program has pretty much run the world from every single desk. But right now, we're seeing a massive shift, a revolution that's happening right inside those familiar rows and columns. The days of manually wrestling with data and memorizing formulas, they're coming to an end. This is the new age of AI-powered spreadsheets.
Does this look familiar? I mean, we've all been there. You've got this huge spreadsheet, and you just know the answers you need are hiding in there. But finding them means you're about to lose an entire afternoon to VLOOKUPs, pivot tables, and staring at that dreaded #ref error. Well, that whole song and dance is about to become a thing of the past.
Look, let's give credit where it's due. Tools like Excel are incredibly powerful. They've been the backbone of global finance for decades. But that power has always come with a catch, right? A super steep learning curve, where all the heavy lifting, all the complex thinking, falls on you.
We know this world inside and out. The manual formulas, the complicated functions, the hours that just seem to vanish. But just imagine for a second a totally different way of working. One where you can just skip all that and get straight to the good stuff, the insights. That's exactly the change we're talking about today.
Okay, this is where things get really interesting. We're making a leap from a world where your spreadsheet is basically a fancy passive calculator to one where it's an active, intelligent partner. This isn't just another update. It's a total reimagining of what a spreadsheet can even do.
The real magic here is that these new spreadsheets actually understand plain English. So instead of trying to build some crazy formula, you can just type, "Hey, show me our top 5 products by sales from last quarter." And boom, there's your answer. It completely flips the script. Your spreadsheet is no longer a tool you have to command. It's a partner you can actually collaborate with.
And listen, this isn't some far-off futuristic dream. This stuff is here right now. There's a whole ecosystem of new tools popping up, all designed to make you work smarter, not harder. So let's take a look at some of the key players.
You can kind of group these new tools into a few main buckets. You've got ones like Sheet AI, which are all about automation. You just describe what you want done in plain English. Then there are tools like Chat CSV that let you literally have a conversation with your data files. And others, like ChartPixel, can take a mess of raw numbers and spit out a perfect presentation-ready chart in seconds.
And really, this is just the tip of the iceberg. The whole space is just exploding. You've got tools like Numerous AI, which puts ChatGPT right inside your Google Sheets, or Genius Sheets that can securely tap into your company's private data. It just goes to show how fast all of this is moving.
So, why does any of this matter? Well, it's about more than just cool new tech. This is about fundamentally changing how you spend your day. It's about getting back all those hours you used to sink into tedious, manual work, so you can focus on what actually moves the needle: thinking, planning, and making smart decisions. And if you take away one thing, it's this. This is the promise. Those tasks that used to eat up your day, the ones that took hours of intense focus, and were so easy to mess up with one tiny error, they can now be done in the time it takes you to type a single sentence.
This quote from the source material really nails it. The whole game is changing. It's no longer about you doing the heavy lifting. It's about you directing an intelligent tool to do it for you. The future of productivity isn't about becoming a formula wizard. It's about mastering the art of asking the right questions.
So we'll leave you with this thought. Every single spreadsheet you have is packed with answers and hidden stories. The question is no longer about whether you have the technical skills to find them. The question now is, are you asking in the right way? Because the age of the AI colleague is officially here.